Okay, hello everyone. So in this video we will try to complete the table, okay, on page 41 of your notes. Okay, page 41. So here we will try to compare two different graphic format. One is bitmap and the other is vector. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, how does these two graphics composed of? Okay, so try to write down. For bitmap, we will say that it is composed of a lot of pixels. Okay, and for vector or graphic, we will say that we combine a lot of objects. Okay, and we will know that those objects are all in mathematical formula. Okay, all of them are mathematical formula. Okay, and then second, when it is enlarged, will there have any zigzag or distortion? Okay, zigzag means on the edge there may have you may see some like letter or letter shape. Okay, so which is because the graphic is composed by pixel. Okay, so the answer for bitmap it is yes, and then for vector it is no. Alright, and then let's go on. It is easy to select or edit by part. Okay, so if we say by part, then for bitmap it is more difficult to edit, and for vector it is easier. Okay, and then for the file size of the graphic, okay, so in general, so that means in most of the case, okay, in general, bitmap will have a larger file size, okay, and for vector it has a smaller file size. Okay, in general, okay, and then how about the attribute determine the file size? So for bitmap, okay, you should remember it is combined by the resolution and also the color depth. Okay, you must remember this. All right, and then for vector graphic, it is determined by the number of objects. Okay, so more the object, higher the file size. All right, and then for the application where it used, okay, so for bitmap it is used in realistic photo. Okay, so for real photo, okay, that means when you take photo it always save in bitmap. And for vector graphic, it is used for representing line art patterns and logos. Okay, line art patterns and logo. Okay, because when we enlarge the vector graphic, the quality of the photo will not be changed. Okay, and then is it can be shown on all the web browser? So for bitmap graphic, yes. For vector graphic, no. Okay, it depends on the player. Okay, whether whether you save, okay, whether you have the player, okay, for those type of file. Okay, and then the last one we talk about the file format. Okay, so for bitmap you should remember, okay, some of them. Okay, at least you should remember, let's say JPG, remember that, GIF, PNG, or BMP. Okay, you must try to remember all of them. Alright, and then for vector we try to remember some of them. Okay, let's say SVG or AI. Okay, alright, so here is the comparison of these two type of graphic. Okay, if you have time, I will recommend you to try to watch the video of practical. Okay, chapter 7 and 9. Okay, try to compare them. Okay, because for practical chapter 9, it's we try to edit the bitmap graphic, and for chapter 9 we'll try to edit the vector graphic. So after watching these two videos, you should have a clear idea of how, okay, of what are the difference between these two type of graphics. Okay, so see you